Hey there, game development enthusiast and aspiring creator. Welcome back to our channel One Me School. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss: no-code game development and how you can earn money with it.
If people dreamed of making own game without a technical background, this video is only for you.
I will explore what no-code game development is all about and share some strategy to turning your creation into cash. So let's dive in. No-code game development is a revolutionary approach that empowers people with little to no coding experience to create their own video games. It utilizes user-friendly platforms and tools that allow you to visually design and build games through simple drag and drop interface. Now I'm gonna talk about the advantage of no-code game development. The advantage are numerous no-code in game development. The first one is low barrier to entry. You don't need extensive programming skills, rapid prototyping, quickly bring your game's ideas to life, creativity enhanced, focus on game design, story and mechanics, and it's cost efficient. You don't need to hire any coder, any programmer for your project. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: making money with your no-code games. There are several monetization strategies, in-app ads. At that point, integrate ads in your games to earn revenue based on your user interaction. Then in-app purchase, offer virtual items or power-ups more shell within your games. Premium games, we can charge an upfront fee for downloading our games, and the subscription model, our exclusive content through subscription service. Also, we can do crowdfunding, use a platform like Kickstarter to fund your games development, and the finally is sponsorship. Partner with brands to promote their product or service in your games. It's critical to choose the right distribution platform for your no-code games. Platforms like Google Play Store, Apple Store, and Steam are great options. And building a loyal fan base is the key to your success. Engage with your players, gather feedback, and update your games to keep your audience coming back more. And let's look at some inspiring success stories of individuals who have made it big in the no-code game development world. Before we wrap up, here are some valuable tips for aspiring no-code game developer. Keep learning, stay updated with the latest no-code tools and techniques. Test and iterate. Don't be afraid to experiment and refine your games. Marketing matter. Promote your games on social media and other platforms. Network connect with other developer and potential collaborator. And that's a wrap up today video on no-code game development and earnings. I hope you are feeling inspired to start your own game development journey. Remember, the game industry is vast and there's room for everyone to sign in. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe more content on game development, no-code tools, and everything in between. Thanks for joining us today on One Me School. Happy game development, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.